Hi, I'm Christine Torres with the Law Office of Bryan, Fagan, and today we're talking about the world of child support and all that it entails. Have you ever considered that child support encompasses much more than just financial contributions? Let's think about this scenario. We once encountered a devoted father who approached us with heartfelt concerns about his child's emotional well-being during visitations. His main goal was to make sure his child felt an overwhelming sense of belonging rather than merely being a guest. The last thing you should want is for your child to feel like a guest or an outsider in their own home. So it's your job as their loving parent to help them feel loved, valuable, and comfortable when you are taking care of them. However, when the topic of child support arises, it's easy to be misled by the notion that it exclusively pertains to financial obligations. But if you review your custody order, you will see that it is much more than just financial responsibilities. Both parents are typically required to provide not only monetary support, but also make sure their child's basic needs are continually met. Those basic needs consist of food, clothing, shelter, and all necessary amenities when the child is under their care. How does this translate into practical terms? When your child is with you, it becomes important not to just depend solely on the child support funds to care for your child. By embracing this practice, you're not merely adhering to legal regulations, you're actively cultivating an environment of positivity that contributes to your child's emotional well-being. Please always remember, child support in Texas is more than just financial responsibility of the obligor. If you are the one paying child support to your co-parent, then you, as the obligor, should be equally involved in your child's life. Your responsibility is not only financial, but also to provide love, support, and guidance. It's a holistic endeavor that encompasses both emotional and physical support that your child rightfully deserves. If you want to learn more about this topic, or if you need legal support, please reach out to us by calling 281-810-9760 or visit our website at bryanfagan.com. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you. So please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.